The Kalai are a subtribe of the Halam community of Tripura, which form a minority of the tribal population in Tripura state. The Kalai belong to the Chin-kuki and Lushai group. It is believed that the Kalai come to permanently live in Tripura around the year 1484 to 1496 AD. In spite of prevalence of basic similarities of dialects, cultures, and traditions among the various subgroups of the Halam community. The Kalai have their own language, dialects, culture, and tradition which are distinct and rich. There are 7 subclans under the Kalai tribe. Number 1 Wabur, number 2 Waplom, number 3 Rwjgui, number 4 Bukang, number 5 Chorai, number 6 Abel, and number 7 Kusu. Thanks. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon.